Alright, YouTube. So I got 2 of this. Actually, I got 4 of this from Costco when it was on sale. I bought one from last year, and then this year I decided to buy all 4, which is regular price was about $29.99, and then on sale, which is knock off $10 off, so it's $19.99 each. So I pick up 4 of them, and then I'm gonna deliver 2 of this to my relatives. So I'm trying to install for you guys again. To some of you guys, some of the viewers saying that when they open the box, it's not working. So hopefully 2 out of 2 is going to be working. So by the way, I forgot to mention you need a Phillips screwdriver for the installation for the base. There are 4 of the screws, or 5. 1 remote instruction. Bubble wrap. New. Maybe that's why when you guys open it, it wasn't working, because it was banging around, moving around. And here at the base. So you'll be like a Lego, you put this together. The wire goes out that way, the cable, okay? You gotta match out with those 5 screw holes. So maybe like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cable goes to this way. Okay, and then all you do is just put the screw in there, and then that's it. And exactly same size. I'm going to use this styrofoam as a support. want to block you guys. And you want to tuck in the cable. And then twist it. You want to hold the plate because this one allow you to rotate the motor, so be careful. Now it's gonna break the motor. You need to give it a push in the screw, or you try to screw in. Because this one has threading. So there are two more that you need to go outside, okay, on the edges. So there are a total of 6, my bad. All right. We are almost done. Don't forget about your remote. You want to open this up. It is has a plastic protector. You can peel this off if you want, but I'm not going to do that. And all you need to do is just pull out this tab. So the battery now is contact. This one, the tab is prevent from the plastic tab, prevent from the contact for the battery, so it won't. By the time you receive it, the battery won't die. And if you need to change the battery, press this latch and then pull it out. And then there's your battery. This one, it is what kind of battery? It says Duracell 20. Oh, it won't allow you to take it all the way down, so all the way out. This one is 2032 Duracell. So it's good, so you don't lose this the tray, the battery tray. And then there's your on and off switch, timer, rotating, fan speed, and then different mode. Okay, there's your infrared. And this is where you put the remote, your storage for the remote. Got the power on, oscillate, okay, and then you got a different mode. You got a timer, and then you have the speed. And there's your infrared receiver right here. So I want to show you guys real quick. Here's the fuse. It comes with the extra fuse for the plug. You will need to yank it out from this side. Okay, here is a fuse, okay? And then there's a tab right here. This is the cover for the fuse. You need to slide up, out, and to reveal the fuse. So in case your fan does not work, you want to check the fuse and then take that one out and then replace a new one in there, okay? Make sure you push in all the way. And then when you want to put this back, the fuse needs to go toward the plug or the prongs. And then just put it back like that, okay? All right, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.